Alright, so now let's uh, let's remove the down then from the client of the front end and add it to the database. Create menu items and connect them to the shop and user that is logged in. Because every shop will have its own items and some categories, that's why we will connect every item with every user. I mean, every user will have their own items instead of everyone having the same item. Of course, if you build it international app and scale it, you might have some default items you can just immediately pop into this user's database to have them. And because pretty much everyone will have a plain bacon, pretty much everyone will have water to sell. So you could just give those kind of items to them immediately and then have them interact with their menu, add items, remove items, change prices, or whatever. And it's already done. Now changes. So what did we do? We create a new menu items table, shop menu items table, compare menu items to shops with custom pricing, open RLS policies, using IDs to the numbers. Maybe have component load menu bar and different menu. Alright, let's see now. We add the example.com and the password and sign in. Now I don't have any items, of course. Also, actually, let's look into our Supabase. When you sign up, how to create an organization, I have already created mine. And if I go to my projects, you can see this Supabase Vegas OPS. Let me refresh actually for good measure. And here we are. And now if we go to our database, this is the schema visualizer with the users, the subname, and give that. And where are our, I don't see our menu items for some reason. Let's see. Okay, ignore because we already solved that. Maybe if I refresh, it will be here, but maybe not. And yeah, it's not here yet. Let's try and create a screen where we can add and remove menu items. And maybe when we do that, it will actually go and create the tables too. If not, we can just prompt it to create the tables just by itself. Let's add a screen where I can add /delete menu item. And now we're getting a menu management screen. That's a new one, I think. Right. And we are pretty much ready. We just need to replace the upload DSX file to have the updated header. And we'll be done in just like a couple of minutes. Actually, less than a couple of minutes, maybe a minute until the uploads. Alright, we divide the menu management screen. The menu items update prices, toggle items active or inactive, and new items for the available menu item. Alright, so let's log in and check it out. Alright, okay. Now what is the error? Doesn't even show me anything. So if I go to the menu, we need to load available items. Okay, probably because the table does not exist. Or because we don't have any items right now. Let's see. Yeah, I think it just forgot to create the tables actually in the database and just take the migration files that include the tables. But somewhere along the way it got lost. Yeah, exactly as we said, it hasn't created necessary tables and relationships.